Kofi Annan says young people should be at the forefront of global change and innovation. Empowered. They can be key agents for development and peace. Hello, I am Vaness, and on this occasion, I am going to deliver my speak about the power of youth in the digital age. The honorable judges, my beloved viewers, ladies and gentlemen, the digital age is simply defined as the informational age. It is historical period beginning in the middle of the 20th century in which information rapidly spread to be available to a large amount of people through computer technology. In the digital era, young people are often considered digital native who play a great role in nation building. Firstly, the power of the youth is the agent for change in digital transformation. As we encounter 2030, the ability to use technology effectively has become increasingly important. These abilities include using the internet for research, communicating online via email or instant messaging, utilizing reliable online platforms, and being familiar with digital financial service. At this point, youth as digital native can transfer their knowledge to the previous or even the next generation. So, all people in Indonesia are able to explore the advantages of technology. Secondly, the youth is the future leader. The youth will carry out Indonesia's economy as they have good digital literacy which affects the economic growth in our country. In this digital and globalist society, economic competitiveness and innovation are more prevalent today than in the few past years. Therefore, Indonesia must take advantage of this change to prosper and grow into a global economic power by managing and utilizing the available youth in order to success in this game and economic conflict. This is because the highest internet penetration rate in Indonesia is held by youth people 13 to 18 years old for about 99.16% and 90 to 34 years old group, which is about 98.64%. Last but not least, the youth is the innovator. Young people have the potential solution to any problems. They take responsibility for developing and implementing a solution for economic, science, technology, and social problems. It is believed that the development of software and apps, network management, machine learning, big data analysis, the Internet of Things, cybersecurity, and distributed large technologies like blockchain are sophisticated digital skills that are expected to be required for tens of millions of jobs in the future. However, there are main challenges faced by the youth. For example, the negative impact of digitalization development, such as the lack of quality and quantity of human resource, and moral, ethical, and religious challenges. Therefore, we as Indonesia youth realize our roles and extend our competencies and skill in order to help Indonesia to be recovered together and stronger. In conclusion, the youth play a significant role and has a powerful influence in the digital era. There are some challenges for young generation in digital development, especially negative impact. Efforts can be taken such as empowering digital literacy, developing the quality human resource infrastructures and regulation, and promoting national unity and solidarity. By doing these things, I, Vaness, believe Indonesia can recover together and stronger. Thank you.